How to change baggage allowance AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change baggage allowance AirAsia. First, go to your web browser. Here you need to search for AirAsia. Scroll down and open the official website of airasia.com. Once you're in, you'll find the option to talk to an agent on your bottom right. Click to open it. Create an account if you're not its member. Wait for it to start a chat. You can select the relevant option given in the chat. I'm selecting the option of delivery, then select the option of back, then select the option of travel. From the list, click on AirAsia flights. By clicking on this arrow on the right, you'll see the option of baggage. Click to open it. Select the relevant size of your baggage. It will provide you with all the necessary details related to it. Then click on Purchase Checked Baggage. After that, you'll need to provide them with your booking number or PNR to complete the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.